Hey, good afternoon, Barry from Recreational Power Sports. I just want to show you this 2024 Argo 700 XR LE that we have in stock. We'll just do a quick walk around about it. We do have the winch on it. We do have the front rack. We have these cool little eyebrow lights here, LEDs. Walk around to the side. We have a storage compartment here. We have another storage compartment here as well. We do have the hand guards. Fuel, of course. Rear rack. 2-inch receiver for towing. And then we'll just go back around this side and to the front. It does have heated grips as well and a heated thumb warmer with multiple settings. Now, you will notice that this is on tracks right now. So these are the Camso ATV T4S tracks. Very good tracks, not an aftermarket track. These are the tracks that we use on all of the machines or all of the customers that are buying tracks. This is what we sell. We have sold these for years. This machine does come with the factory rims and tires as well. Now, we did use this around our lot just to demo the tracks. It does have 46 kilometers on it, but it still has factory warranty on it. So if you're interested, come down to Recreational Power Sports, West End, Edmonton.